If you're a student thinking about what's next and you're curious about growth, technology, and making a real impact, I'd love to tell you a little bit about NTT DATA and why this might be the place for you to start your career. At NTT DATA, we are proud to be the place where you can grow. We work on leading technology solutions that help our clients solve complex problems, and we do it as part of a global organisation with a trusted reputation across Australia, New Zealand, and around the world. That means real projects and exposure to future-focused technologies and opportunities to learn from an incredible group of professionals across regions, disciplines, and industries. Our internship program is a structured 6-week experience designed to give you real insight into how we work. You'll build confidence, you'll learn from your team and get hands-on experience with your chosen business area. We're not looking for one type of intern. We welcome people from broad degree backgrounds. This really is the place where you can grow. If this sounds like you, we'd love to see your application. Please go to our profile page on SeekGrad and apply now.